Kaseng National People's Party hakasan tarik unai wing kala Pynkup Burom ye ki arngut ki MLA ki bedang shujab ye ki election MLA ki bakan thup ye uba penyat sing sim bat Muhammad Abdul Saleh ringkat bat ye uba lamprang bla watla shimla job ye ki election nakamau plang constituency. Yakini ki arngut ki MLA ki badang shujab ya ki election la Pynkup Burom da Menteri Rangba ukonrat ke sangma bat usambut Menteri Rangba uba Preston Tensong kat ba Menteri Sorkar uba dasakyat bhala mare ula Pynkup Burom ya uba lamprang bela haga bela dan lang Presiden ki NPP Meghalaya u Dr. WR Khaluki ki MLA ki FDC ki nongket kam kaseng NPP bat kiwei Ukonrat ke sangma ula ai kublai ye ki MLA halor ke jingjob ye ki election bat ula ai kublai ru ye ki nongket kam kaseng NPP ki bela trai shitom hakapor badon ke election. Ula ong wat lakini ki MLA ki badang shujob ki nyok por tang sistem tam ndre ula kentu ye ki bakin beteng ban trai shitom shu hakaban ai ke jing sakri ye upat ba ke constituency. Ukonrat ula ongru ke jingjob ke NPP in artle ki constituency kalanang pen scam shushu ya ke Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance MDA.
We must be humbled by this victory. We must not be proud or feel that we have achieved the greatest, even though it was a very sweet victory for us because both these constituencies were not the NPP's constituencies. They were from the opposition. And it's not easy for any party to be able to capture constituencies which are not yours. And as was mentioned by Mr. Abdul Saleh, not only Rajabala, even Morankning has never been a constituency where NPP has won. In fact, in both the constituencies, NPP has been in third or fourth position every time. So it was a huge challenge. It was a very sweet victory, but we should be humbled by the victory. We should work harder as a party, and we should work harder as a government to ensure that we continue being committed to the people of our state. We continue being committed to the issues that matter to our people. We work sincerely and dedicatedly, and I can assure both the MLAs who have been elected that as a government, we will support and we will do our best to ensure that we are able to do whatever we can in this very short time of 1 year and 4 months. It may be short, but if we work hard, it's more than close to about 500 days. So there's a lot of work we can do in 500 days. 1.5 years looks very short, but 500 days is a long time. So let us try and not lose out even one day and start the work that we're supposed to do for the people of Morankning constituency and Rajabala and the state as a whole. And once again, would like to congratulate both the candidates who have won and now are MLAs, and also Mr. Lamprang Bla, who has really given a very good fight and in a very short time managed to garner the votes. And once again, thank all the family members, all the party leaders for their dedication and their support and their hard work.